How to create a whiteboard animation videos in Canva. So creating whiteboard animation videos in Canva is a straightforward process that can enhance your presentation on social media content. Now here, first of all, you have to create an account on Canva and select a template. I have selected the 1921, the normal, and here we are going to use the Speed Paint app. To create a whiteboard animation, you have to utilize the Speed Paint app available with Canva. Now open your Speed Paint app here. Now, if you don't know where to find the Speed Paint app here, this is here. So you have to go to the app section in the bottom, right? And once you go to the, let me take you to the app section here, right? And here on the search bar, you have to search for Speed Paint. Now this is it. Now click on it. Now again, go and click on open, right? And here we have to choose a file. So let's upload a video here. You can also upload an image or select from Canva to animate your image. So let's say I will choose an image. So I have an image here. I will just go choose file. In the download section, I have one of the image. Now here we have to we want the smoothness. So let's say I just want 30 fps here. Sketch duration is around 10 second, and color fill duration it's around 3 second. Now the hand style how we want. So I like this one, right? And add fade out effect. Right now, once we have added each and everything here, we have to click on sign up or login if you didn't did this. So let's just go and click on here, click on connect. Now here they will ask our email address. I will just use my Google account here, and then you can just go and click on animate image. Now then it will animate the image, but also it's not unlimited. You have to buy a subscription for Speed Paint here, which is this one. So if you just go and click on here, click on continue, you will be redirected to their web page. Now here you have to buy the Speed Paint, right? So this is how it works. Thanks for watching.